Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. And right now we're gonna do Bitcoin. Although we are altcoin channel, we have to do Bitcoin because you know, it's dropping. People want to know what's happening with Bitcoin, and I think maybe people want to know what I feel about Bitcoin right now. So that's let's get into the charts and actually see what's actually happening with Bitcoin. Right off the bat, you can see a lot of lines over here, and you can see this line is being broken. There are some dumb lines. All of these lines are support lines. This line is being broken. It's also on the weekly chart. So this one over here and this one down here, they are the weekly on the weekly time frame. Sorry, yeah, this one up here is the weekly, but it's broken, so now it's actually resistance, not support. But this at 45,000 is a very important support line. So if we start going down there, the 45,000 line actually might actually hold us very nicely. That said, this bottom down here at 51,200 or 300 is also acting as a support. So you can see here the first wick, we wicked all the way down to 51,277. So that might also act as a support. We got these two other lines. These are right now where the moving averages are. This is the blue line. This is the 100 moving average that is acting as a support, and it's sitting right now at 48,948, so around 49,000. And we also have this one down here, that's at 44,000. That's the weekly. You can see on the weekly time frame, the blue line, the 20 moving average, is sitting exactly at 44,148. So these are actually support lines we can count on right now if we start going down. The question is, are we going to go down? Is there a chance to go up? What's going to happen today and stuff like that? So for that, we got to, first of all, we're going to bring out the moving averages, hide a little bit these support lines, and just see what's actually happening here. So basically on this big dump over here, we went below the 50 moving average. We didn't close above it, we went below it, and now for the next 2 days we are slowly bleeding down. So we can zoom in even more and see that after the first dump, we started going sideways, tried to break this 20 moving average, couldn't, and now we're getting rejected by 20 moving average. So what I'm fearing right now is, let's bring back the line. So what I'm fearing right now is if we still get, if we cannot break the 20 and the 10 moving average, that we might go further down, because that's how these things usually work. The moving averages are right now acting as a resistance line because we are below all the moving averages. All right, so when we go up, we have to break all of this to get up and be out in the clear, and as long as we are not doing that, we are not in the clear. So to be in the clear, we gotta right now we gotta get above the 60,000 level, and we are sitting at 55,000. So we gotta like 5,000 to catch up to get up in the clear. The problem here is that we are getting actually rejected by this 10 moving average, and the 20 moving average is coming down really fast, so it might actually push us further down. And I'm also going to tell you when I think that's going to happen. For that, we're going to go into the 1 hourly chart, and the same thing is happening here. If you are maybe on the Telegram stream yesterday, we had the Telegram's live stream yesterday, and we were talking about what might happen over here. So this 50 moving average, this yellow line, is actually pushing the price further down. You can see very clearly here. Right now, it's actually going like this on the side here. But it's gonna go like this and go down again. So basically, the price went down, went up on the 10, on the 20 moving average, climbed down, but got rejected by the 50 once, twice, and then went down. Then tried again to break it, could not, went down. Got rejected by the 10, cannot. Now it's trying the 20, and if you cannot still break it down, if it's still getting pushed, it might actually dump very, very hard. So at what point will it actually dump very, very hard? So if you look down here, we had some nice support during this dump. So down here, some very nice support. You can see here the level went down, create some nice support there. Let's make this another color, maybe blue. It's nice blue. Also over here, we wicked down to that same support. Now these moving averages will continue going down, and if we are unable to break them, the 10, 20, and 50 moving average, if we are unable to break them, once we are pushed into this area up here, and we cannot break the moving averages, we're gonna break the support, because this right now is acting as a very nice support. And if you break the support, then we gotta look down on these support lines. That's why we drew these support lines in the first place. We are looking for this 51.2, we are looking for this 49,000, we are looking for this 45,000 and 44,000. So which one of these gonna be hit? It all depends. But right now we are getting really close to deciding where we are gonna go up or down. Right now it's still slow kind of bleeding. Nobody actually knows what's gonna happen. This doesn't go that fast, but I promise you, if we break this level down here, it's gonna go fast. It's gonna go fast. I don't know if it might be something that we do something like this and then get support on this 51 line one more time, and then maybe we get some kind of divergence here that actually can push us up. That's a possibility, but we actually don't know if we're gonna stop here or where we're gonna stop. The only thing we know is we are not out of the clear yet, and that's how technical analysis work. We know that we are somewhere between dump is finished and dump is not finished, like but we are not in the clear. Technically we are still in a downtrend, as long as we have not broken this line up here. You can see here, very nice, this is very nice downtrend line, right? As long as we are not breaking this diagonal line over here, we are not out of the clear. So we have got to break this also. You can also see that that's the 50 moving average on the 1 hourly. But even when we break that, we have one more line to break to actually be in an uptrend, and that's this one over here. So you just so you can keep that in mind. So even though when we break this one up here, start going, we want to get a break above up here. You can see here that this line is actually following this 200 moving average on the 1 hourly chart, exactly on the dot. So you're gonna see if we manage to get above this first diagonal line, we still got this second diagonal line, and first then you can say that yeah, we are now in some kind of an uptrend once we break that. But until we break that, we are still in a downtrend. Especially down here, we are actually not in a just normal downtrend, we are in a heavy, like, dump downtrend. I don't know what called, you know, it's going too fast, it's going just very fast. So I don't think this dump is gonna last for that long. If we start breaking this level, we are looking for the 51 to 93 level, and then these moving averages and this support down here. So which one is gonna hit, what kind of bottoming pattern we are gonna get and stuff like that all depends. But right now you have to know that if we break this 53,300 level, and then the further move down is expected, and on the upside we need to break all the way up right now above the 55,777. This target we have to break above, yeah, give or take, something like this, and down here we don't want to break below that level. So that's what I got for you. I just want to update you on Bitcoin, and so you know what's gonna happen. And right now I'm gonna make like 6, 7, 8 altcoin videos, so do check the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video and all that shebang. Where's my like button, the subscribe button? There's subscribe to the channel, like the video, check down the links for Patreon and Telegram. You know, we do some testing on Telegram, on Patreon as well, and on Telegram there's a nice bunch of people. So do check us out, say hello and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, bye bye.